What's that sound? Can you hear it? What do you think it is? If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right.
They do marbles.
We're going to catch the Ninky Nog. Oh no, it's the Ninky Nog. Catch the Ninky Nog. What's that? Can you hear the noise? You know the answer. Shout it out. That's right. It's the Pinky Bong. Here is a house. Whose house is this? And are they in or are they out? It's the Tombliboos. How many can you see? Tombliboo, Tombliboo, not
Great.
Tombliboo, Tombliboo, sit on the floor. Tombliboo, Tombliboo, here is my nose. Tombliboo, Tombliboo, that's how it goes.
I found it. Oh, that's a SpongeBob pattern. That is a SpongeBob pattern. Can you stop bubbles? That's a Patrick pattern.
Who's here? It's the Harpoos. Harpoos.
Those look like for CBeebies. That one looks like for CBeebies. Let's listen to their song. Who's here? It's Macca Pacca's name. Is he in? Yes. Hello, Macca Pacca. Are you clapping your hands today? Can we clap with you? Ready? Macca Pacca, Acca Wacka, Micka Macca Moo. Macca Pacca, Acca Yakka, Ika Acca Oo. Dum, acca, bang, ing, ang, oo. Macca, pacca, acca, wacka, micka, macca, moo. Who's here? It's Upsy Daisy. Hello, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy Daisy do. A squirrel. Like the sound of a squirrel.
Are you blowing kisses, Upsy Daisy? Let's blow kisses to Upsy Daisy. Bye-bye, Upsy Daisy. See you later, I'm sure. It's the Pontypines. All together, off we go.
I think it's in...
It's Eagle Pickle. Yes, my name is Eagle Pickle. Eagle Pickle, Wickle, Nickel, Diggle. Yes, my name is Eagle Pickle. Eagle Pickle, Nickel, Wickle, Woo.
Look, there are all of Ickle Pickle's friends. Goodbye, Harhoos. Goodbye, Pontypines. Goodbye, Tombliboos.
Goodbye, Macca-Pacca. Goodbye, Upsy Daisy. Goodbye, Ickle Pickle. It's time for us to go.
That sounds like night. That means it's bedtime.